Children, Lal Bahadur Shastri succeeded Pandit Nehru and became the next Prime Minister of India. His tenure was 1964 to 1966. India and Pakistan during his tenure went to war over the Kashmir issue in 1965. The Soviet Union tried to mediate between the two countries. Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kishan, with which he highlighted the importance of Indian soldiers and Indian farmers. Children, here I want to give more information about the India-Pakistan War. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 was a culmination of skirmishes that took place between April 1965 and September 1965 between Pakistan and India. Children, the conflict began following Pakistan's Operation Gibraltar, which was designed to infiltrate forces into Jammu and Kashmir to precipitate an insurgency against the Indian rule. India retaliated by launching a full-scale military attack on West Pakistan. The 17-day war caused thousands of casualties on both sides and witnessed the largest engagement of armored vehicles and the largest tank battle since World War II. Hostilities between the two countries ended after a United Nations mandated ceasefire was declared following diplomatic intervention by the Soviet Union and the United States, and the subsequent issuance of the Tashkent Declaration. Much of the war was fought by the country's land forces in Kashmir along the border between India and Pakistan. This war saw the largest amassing of troops in Kashmir since the partition of India in 1947, a number that was overshadowed only during the 2001-2002 military standoff between India and Pakistan. Most of the battles were fought by opposing infantry and armored units, with substantial backing from air forces and naval operations. So children, the India-Pakistan war, it was happened during the tenure of Lal Bahadur Shastri. And Lal Bahadur Shastri breathed his last as Tashkent in 1966. Children, you can see on the map the location of Tashkent. Tashkent, actually it was the capital of Uzbekistan. Lal Bahadur Shastri breathed his last at Tashkent in 1966. So children, we have come to know that during the tenure of Lal Bahadur Shastri, that is from 1964 to 1966, The most significant events that was happened: the India-Pakistan War in 1965. Then also we have come to know about the Tashkent Agreement. It was the result of this war, and ultimately Lal Bahadur Shastri, he breathed his last at Tashkent in 1966. Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India in 1966. During her tenure, Pakistan's oppressive policies in East Pakistan resulted in a big movement there. This movement was led by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and his organization Mukti Bahini. This crisis in East Pakistan affected India as well because millions of refugees came to India.